traders and assalamu alaikum. This is Rana from UK Professional Trading School. Hope everyone is okay. In this video I'm gonna do the forecasting of all currency pairs, what I'm expecting from the market, like how market gonna react for next week according to my point of view. So before I start, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will be updated from my upcoming video. If you want to join my Telegram group, there is a link in the description. You can click over there and you can join us, and also you can follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and you can also contact me on Telegram at UK Pro Traders. So now I'm gonna show you the result of my paid group. As you can see on your screen, that's the result of this week of my paid group. We earned about 2000 pips. So let's start our video, let's start our analysis. As you can see, that's the chart of Cad Jpy, daily chart of Cad Jpy. So whole week Cad was moving a bit sideways. So what I'm expecting from Cad right now, when it will come down to this my support level, I will see this kind of movement and I will wait for breakout, and I'm gonna buy this pair because I'm expecting Cad Jpy to go up. Let's move to our next pair, which is Chf Jpy. The guys who are in my paid group, they knew, and you can also see in my report as well, we earn about all these pips. We sold this pair about 1450 couple of days ago and we earn all these pips. So what I'm expecting from Chf Jpy to go down, but from the current scenario right now is on 113.60. When market will open on Monday, I will wait for this kind of movement and then I'm gonna sell again. So I'm expecting Chf Jpy to go down. If it break this level, the next target of Chf Jpy at least 111 level or 110 level. So I'm expecting Chf Jpy to go down. Let's start with our AUD pairs. That's the daily chart of AUD Jpy. Let me zoom in for you guys. The guys who are in my paid group, they knew we sold this pair and we earn about 100 pips from that pair. So now it's on reversal mode. So I'm expecting this kind of movement and then I'm gonna sell again because I'm expecting AUD Jpy to go down. If it breaks this level, the next target of AUD Jpy is 770. Yeah. So let's see guys, this is not a signal, that's my forecast only. If you need a proper entry signal, you have to join my Telegram channel. There is a link in the description, or you have any question regarding any pair, you can ask me in the comment and I will happy to answer you guys. Let's move to our next pair, which is AUD Cad. As you can see, let me zoom in. Yeah, it's already zoomed in. Yeah, so as you can see, it's already touching my this resistance level again and again. So when market will open, I will wait for this kind of movement and then I'm gonna sell again because I'm expecting AUD Cad to go down, and it will go down a lot from here, at least 400 pips, but it's not gonna happen in one day or one night. So let's move to our next pair, which is AUD Chf. That's the daily chart of AUD Chf. That's whole week AUD Chf was moving a bit sideways, so I didn't place any kind of trade because we didn't get any volatility on this pair. So what I'm expecting from current scenario, I'm expecting this kind of moment. If it will come down to this support level, and then I'm gonna buy because I'm expecting AUD CHF to go up. Let's move to our next pair, which is AUD NZD. The guys who watched my previous video, I was expecting AUD NZD to go down when it touch our this resistance level. As you can see, after that it start going down. It's already break my this resistance level and this support level. Now my next target is this. If it break that, then the AUD and ZD is 1.050. So let's see how market will react for upcoming week. Let's move to our next pair, which is AUD USD. The guys who are in my paid group or who watched my previous video, I was expecting AUD to go down, and it's going down, but as you can see it's moving in this range. So I'm expecting to break this resistance level and then break this support level, then it's gonna go down. But I'm expecting AUD USD to go down, but now I will wait for this kind of movement, and I will also break for breakout, and then I'm gonna sell. But I'm expecting for upcoming week AUD Chf AUD USD to go down. So that's it from the AUD pair. Let's move to our next pairs, which are Euro pairs. So let's start with the Euro AUD. As you can see, that's the daily chart of Euro AUD. This week Euro AUD was moving a bit sideways. We didn't see any kind of volatility in the market. So I'm expecting this kind of movement. If it's come down this level, then I will see the price action and then I'm gonna buy. So I'm expecting Euro AUD a bit down and then it's gonna go up, because when AUD USD will go down, the Euro AUD will go up. So let's move to our next pair, which is Euro JPY. The guys who watched my previous video and who are in my paid group, they knew we placed this trade couple of days ago, and we already earned about 150 pips from that trade. From current price, I'm expecting this kind of movement. If it break this level, then the next target of a Euro JPY is 115. Yeah, you heard it right. But when it will come down to this level, then I will see the price action. From here maybe it will go up, or if it break that, then it's gonna go down. As you can see, it takes support from here, and then it take all this movement, support from here, and he have all this movement. So if we go for the wave pattern, so one more movement down and then it's gonna go up and then down. So we will see when the market will open next week what trade we have to take in Euro JPY. Let's move to our next pair, which is Euro Cad. Euro Cad was also moving a bit sideways. As you can see, the moving average is also showing us a bit sideways movement, but I'm waiting Euro Cad to go up at least this level, then I'm gonna sell. I'm expecting Euro Cad to go down, but we still place some trades on this pair this week, and we earned about 150 pips from that trade as well. The guys who are in my paid group, they knew we earn about 100 or 100 pips from this trade as well, from this pair as well. Next, move to our next pair, which is Euro Chf. I'm not a big fan of selling Euro Chf, so I'm always looking for the buy opportunity. It's come here for my this support level, but I was expecting it will go down, then it's gonna go up. But still, for next week I will keep eye on that pair, because I'm expecting this kind of downward, then it's gonna go up. I'm expecting Euro Chf to go up. Let's move to our next pair, which is Euro NZD. That's the daily chart of Euro NZD. Let me zoom in for you guys, so it's gonna be easier. There you go. Guys who watched my previous video, I was expecting Euro NZD to go down, but it's come down to my this support level. This is break that. The next target of Euro NZD is 1.65, but when next week market will open, we will see how market is gonna react, then we will place any trade. But I'm not interested to place any kind of trade in that. I'm only looking for this sell trade. So if it will go up here, then I'm gonna sell. Let's move to our next pair, which is Euro USD. The guys who watched my previous video and also in my paid group, they knew we earn about, I gave this trade yesterday from here, and we earn about this pip. So what I am expecting from Euro USD, this kind of movement, From this resistance I'm gonna sell again. I'm just waiting to break this support level. Then the next target of euro USD is 1.09. So I'm expecting euro USD to go down for upcoming week. Guys, this is not a signal, that's my forecasted what I am expecting from the market. If you need proper entry points, you have to join my Telegram channel. There is link in the description. So let's move to our next pair, which is euro GBP. The guys who watched my previous video, they knew I was expecting euro GBP to go down, and exactly the same thing happened. I'm just waiting to break this support level, then it's gonna go down a lot. So I'm expecting euro GBP to go down. I'm not a big fan of buying euro GBP, so whenever I got the opportunity, if I see this kind of movement again, whenever I got the opportunity, I'm gonna sell this pair again. Let's move to our next pair, which is, so yeah, that's it from the euro pairs. Let's move to our next pairs, which are GBP pairs, one of my favorite pairs. As you guys know, the guys who watched my previous video, I was expecting pound to go up, and exactly the same thing happened. The guys who watched my who was done my live session trading, so they knew we bought this pair from here and our take profit is here, so it's going up. So what I'm expecting, this kind of movement a bit down to this level, and then it's gonna go up. So I'm expecting GBP USD to come down, and then it's gonna go up for upcoming week. Let's move to our next pair, which is GBP AUD. The guys who watched my previous video and the guys who are in my paid group, they knew we placed this trade from here, and we earned about 250 pips from that trade. But as you can see, I have one open buy trade here as well. It's already break my this resistance level. So what I am expecting, this kind of movement, and then it's gonna go up. So I'm expecting GBP AUD to go up for upcoming week. Let's move to our next pair, which is GBB Cad. The guys who watched my previous video, I was expecting GBP Cad to go up. As you can see, we bought it from here. My take profit is here, and let me zoom in so it's gonna be more clear for you guys. Yeah, the guys who watched my previous video, live session 1, so I gave this signal in that to buy this pair, and exactly is running on my way. I'm expecting this kind of movement a bit down, then it's gonna go up. I'm expecting GBP Cad to go up for upcoming week, but right now we can't place any kind of trade on that pair. As you can see, it's a bit between right now in my support and resistance level, so maybe I will not place any kind of trade for upcoming week. Let's move to our next pair, which is GBP Chf. The guys who have watched my previous video or were in my paid group, they knew we placed this trade and we earned about 100 pips from that trade. But still, I'm expecting GBP Chf to go up. I'm not a big fan of selling GBP Chf. I got a lot of trade, but I didn't sell it because I'm expecting from GBP Chf at least 1200 pips from the current price. So my target is 1.30, but it's not gonna happen in one day or one night. It will take time. So what I will see for next week, this kind of moment, if it will come down to this support level, then I'm gonna buy again. So I'm expecting GBP Chf to go up, and it will go up a lot, but it's not gonna happen in one day or one night. Let's move to our next pair, which is Gbb Jpy. The guys who are in my paid group, they knew, and the guys who watched my previous video, they knew I was expecting this pair to go down, but still it's break by let me show you. It's go up and close below my this resistance level, and then we go all this movement. So if it break this resistance level, the next target of GBP Jpy is there. So I'm expecting this kind of movement, and then I'm gonna say, because I'm expecting GBP Jpy to go down, but we have to see from where I need to enter in the market. Let's move to our next pair, which is GBP NZD. The guys who watched my previous video, they knew, and who are following my paid group signal, they knew we buy this pair and exactly we get all these pips. So I'm expecting this kind of movement, then it's gonna go up. So I'm expecting GBP NZD to go up, but we have to wait for the right entry. So that's it from the GBP pairs. Let's move to our next pair, which is NZD pairs. As you can see, NZD Cad is already break my this resistance level. So I'm looking for this kind of movement. If it come up here, then I'm gonna sell, or I will wait for this kind of movement and I will wait for breakout, then I'm gonna sell. But I'm expecting NZD Cad to go down for upcoming week. Let's move to our next pair, which is NZD Jpy. NZD Jpy is a bit moving a bit sideways. As you can see, whole week is moved about a bit sideways, but I'm still looking for this kind of movement. Then I'm gonna sell because I'm expecting NZD Jpy to go down, but I will wait to come NZD at least this level. So let's move to our next pair, which is NZD Chf. Same with the NZD Chf, it's not moving a bit, so it's moving a sideways, so I'm not gonna place any kind of trade in that pair. Let's move to our next pair, which is NZD USD. Let me zoom in. The guys who watched my previous video, I was expecting NZD to go down. As you can see, it's near to my this resistance level, so I'm waiting for this kind of movement and then I'm gonna sell because I'm expecting NZD USD to go down. Let's move to our next pair, which is USD Cad. The guys who watched my previous video or who done live trading session with me, then they knew I was expecting Cad to go down and we learned about all these pips. So now it's on reversal, so I'm waiting for this kind of movement again and then I'm gonna sell because I'm expecting USD Cad to go down, but I have to wait for the correct entry. So let's move to our next pair, which is USD Jpy. The guys who watched my previous video, I was expecting USD Jpy to go up. Now it's coming down, so I'm expecting at least come down this level or this level, then I'm gonna buy because I'm expecting USD Jpy to go up. Let's move to our next pair, which is USD Chf. The guys who watched my previous video, I was expecting USD Chf to go up and exactly the same thing happened. We earn about this pip, so what I'm expecting this kind of moment, then it's gonna go up. So I'm expecting USD Chf to go up for upcoming week. Let's move to our last but not the least pair, which is gold. Gold is moving a bit unpredictable. So what my prediction about the gold is, if we break this resistance level, then the next target of gold is 1840 and 1850, but if it break this resistance, which is 1770, if it break that, the next target of gold is 1700. So we will see how market will react for upcoming week and we will place our trades according to that. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Take care of yourself. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz. Cheers. Bye.